Hello, dear children. Welcome to all in St. JBS online classes. This is Utkarsh Khare. Today, I have brought a part third of topic before, between, and after. In this topic, we will learn after numbers. But before proceeding further, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, first you have to subscribe it, press the bell icon for the latest notification, and like the videos and share it among your friends. Now, dear students, let's move to the class. Students, I hope you have recognized these numbers well. These numbers I already told is the members of math family. Basis of these number from 0 to 9, we will learn the after numbers of all the numbers which we are going to solve. So before starting once more, I am giving the repetition of all number. So I hope this will be your revision, so easily you can reply for the answer. 0, after 0 1, after 1 2, after 2 3, after 3 4, after 4 5, after 5 6, after 6 7, after 7 8, after 8 9. Have to move in this. Take some example to understand what is after numbers. Dear students, for your help, I have already set the numbers in a way two different colors, so easy to understand for you. We are asking after numbers. I have given 4 examples to you. With the help of these examples, you can easily understand. Now let's take first examples. In a previous video, I have already bifurcated the numbers in two parts like tens and ones. First, we will start from basic, then we have to move in a standard form. Standard form means your part is the 3-digit numbers in a after numbers. What we have to start from basic, that means 2-digit numbers that you already learned in your previous classes. What should be there? You can see the number 45 here. The 4 is written in the same way and 5 is also. I have always told you the numbers which comes at the last, which is that means the number which is the ending number. So 45, which is ending number 5. That means 5 will change. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 5? 6. And what will be, and the first number will be same. See, one more example. What comes after 4? 5. And first number will be same. What comes after 8? 9. And first number will be same. What comes after 7? 8. And what first number will be 9. So what you have seen here, you have seen with the 4 examples which I have taken for you. After 45, 46, after 64, 65, after 88, 89, and after 97, 98. Dear students, I ask only the last digit to you, not a full number, because when the number will be bigger, to that number you cannot always learn. So learn the after numbers with logic. So this is after 45, 46, after 46, 64, 65, after 88, 89, after 97, 98. So now let's take more examples. Here, in this you can see I have taken 4 examples of 3-digit numbers. Here I have also shown the last digit with the different colors. That means you can understand only the last digit will change. So easy to understand. After 5, what will come? 6. And what should be here? First two number will be same. Understood? After 45, what we got? 146. 364, no need to read it. After doing your work, then you have to read out full number. After 4, 5 and 3, 6 will be same. After 8, 9 will be there. 2, 8 will be as it is. After 7, 8 will be here, and 5, 9 will be as it is. So dear student, what you have seen here, you have seen the number which ends at a last. If any number in after from 0 to 8, it ends, only the last number will change. If the last number is 0, then next number 1. If the last number is 1, next number 2. If the last number is 3, the next number is 4. So onward up to number 8. Up to number 8. Again and again I am saying from 0 to 8. When 9 will come, that I will tell you later. You see. 145, 146, 364, 365, 288, 289, 597, 597. Done? Any problem? Well done. Now let's move. I have taken 4 examples of 3-digit numbers. Here is also the same. The last number you can see I set with the different color, so easy to understand. That means the last number will change. So after 2, 3 and 1, 9 will be same. After 8, 9 and rest 2 numbers will be as it is. After 5, 6, rest 2 numbers will be same. After 1, 2 and rest 2 numbers will be as it is. Now we will tally our answer is correct. After 192, 193, after 668, 669, after 205, 206, after 500, 551, 552. I hope you understand this concept, and it is very easy. No need to learn all numbers. From 0 to 9 numbers is helps to make before, between and after all numbers. So today we are learning after numbers. Now let's take some more examples. You see, I told from 0 to 8, but now the 9 has come. It's a different number, and you can see here the 2 numbers is showing with colors. That means if the last number of any particular number that ends on 9, where the number is ends on 9, the 2 digit will change. Always remember, if any particular number that ends on 9, that means where the 2 digits will change. You can see I have put all these numbers with the 2 different colors. So easy to understand. Now let's we do and enjoy it. See, 9 will be changed into which form? 0. Which form? 9 will change into 0. So now we will see 9 will change into 0. Always 9 converted into 0 only. So always remember 9 will change into 0. And what comes after 3? The number which is sitting near the 3. That means which is near the 9, which is near the 9, that will next number will come. So after 3 what will come? After 3, 4 will come. What will come? 4. And 7 will be as it is. You see, 9 will change into 0. After 2 what will come? After 2, 3 will come. And 6 will be as it is. 9 is the number, it will change into 0. 5 will change, what after comes 5? 6, very good. So 5 will change into 6 and 2 will be same. You can see 9 will change into 0 and after 4, 5 has come and this 5 will be as it is. So what you have seen, in this we have seen if the 9 has comes ending of any numbers with the 9, that means the number which is near the 9 that will change, and 9 will change into 0. That means two number will change if the 9 has come in after numbers. So 739, 740, 729, 730, 259, 260, 549, 550. Now we take some more example. See, wow, this is very different. Here 9 is at the last. You can see here 9 is the ending of the all numbers. So 9 is the ending of all numbers is there. But before 9 there is no number. So what to do? That number is 0. And you know 0 will change into 1 because after 0 which number come? 1. And 9 will change into 0. Now let's redo. See, our answer will be correct or not. This 9 will change into 0. And this 0 after 0, 1. 7 will be as it is. This 9 will change into 0. And after 0, 1. 6 will be same. 9 will change into 0. And this 0 will be change into 1 because after 0 1 will be there and 2 will be same. Here you will see 9 will be same, 9 will change into 0 and 0 after 0 1 has come and 5 will be same. Now let's we tally our answer. 709, 710, 609, 610, 209, 210, 509, 510. Wow, our all answers are correct. That means our tick is correct, which we are following. We are not learning any more numbers. We are learning only from 0 to 9 numbers and they are helping with all numbers. So now let's take some more example. Wow. You can see here is 3 different colors. I set 4 examples for you. In these 4 examples, what similarity you can see? You can see the similarity in all 4 examples. 9 is repeating 2 times. And after 9, which number is sitting there? That is the different one. I have taken not that color which we are taking. I changed the color of all these numbers which are is the taking position at the first of the number. So now it may confuse. Nothing will confuse. It is very easy because you know 9 will change into 0. 9 will change into 0. So let's we do. There is no problem. Here 2 times 9. That means how many 0? This 9 will change into 0. Another 9 has come. This 9 will also change into 0. And the number which is near sitting near the 9. That is 7. So after 7, 8 will be there. Is it? Let's check the answer. Then we will do more. So what will be here? 799. 799 after 799 800. That means our answer is correct. So now we will do these numbers. 9 will change into 0. 2 9s are there. That means 2 0 will be there. After 6, 7. 2 9s will be here. So 9 will change into 2 0. And after 4, 5 will be here. These 2 9s is here. That means 2 0 will be here. And this 3 will change into 4. So now let's check our answer. What should be the answer? 699. After that 700. After 499 500. After 399 400. Got it? There is any problem? No need to learn any number. Just go to the concept. It is very easy. You do 4-5 times practice in your copy. in a very interesting way. Color the numbers, do it. This is activity basis questions, so you can color the number with a different way. So different writing numbers easily you can identify. Take 5 examples of each set and do it. Now let's take some more example. This is same I have repeated because maybe this can be confused. So some more examples I have taken where the 9 is repeating. So 9 will change into 0. 9 has come 2 times, so 2 0 will be here, and 8 will change into 9. 9 will change into 0, 9 will change into 0, and after 6, 7 will be here. This 9 will change into 0, this 9 will change into 0, and after 1, 2 will be there. 9 will change into 0, 9 will change into 0, and after 2, 3 will be there. So now let's check our answer. 899, 900. What comes after 699? 700. What comes after 199? 200. What comes after 299? 300. I hope these examples make you very clear the concept. But let's take some more. Listen, I have already told, I hope the example is clear, but sometime maybe the number has come 99. This I am telling you, and somebody is asking to you, what will be the after number of 99? You can see here is 9 will be there, but after 9 there is no number. That means here what is there? Here is a 0. What will be there? Here is a 0. So you can understand, I told 9 will change into 0. This 9 will change into 0. Another 9 will change into 0. So 2 0 we got. And now what is there? The number which is sitting near the 9. That is 0. So 0 after 0 what comes? 1 has comes. So what answer you got? After 99, 100 answer we got. So anywhere you can apply it, your all answers will be correct. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Please like it and share it among your friends. Very soon I will meet you in next math class. Thank you so much dear students. Bye bye.